Welcome back to the EZducate Tool Guide series. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the ABA Therapy Wizard. The ABA Therapy Wizard is designed to help therapists, educators, and support professionals quickly create high-quality ABA resources, assessments, teaching materials, data collection forms, and intervention tools while maintaining complete control over the final result. Let's get started. From the EZducate dashboard, click on ABA Therapy Wizard in the left-hand sidebar. On the main page, the first step is selecting the child you'd like to create a resource for. Next, choose an assessment method from the drop-down menu. For this example, we'll select AFLS, and then choose the category, Basic Living Skills, Dressing. As you make your selections, you'll notice that EZducate automatically populates the Describe Your ABA Resource request field with the information needed to generate the resource. EZducate includes support for a variety of assessment frameworks and methodologies commonly used by ABA professionals. The platform can also be customized to align with specific procedures, assessment systems, and documentation requirements preferred by your center, school, or therapy team. Because the request field is fully editable, you can modify any part of the generated request, add additional instructions, or create a completely custom resource simply by typing your own request. Once you're satisfied, click Generate Resource. In just a few seconds, EZducate creates a complete resource based on your selections. In this example, we've generated an AFLS Dressing Skills Assessment, complete with the information and structure needed to support assessment and instruction. The generated content is immediately ready to review, customize, and use. One of the most powerful features of the ABA Therapy Wizard is its collection of quick templates. With a single click, you can instantly generate commonly used ABA resources, such as ABC datasheets, behavior intervention plans, discrete trial training data forms, task analyses, token economy boards, visual schedules, and social stories, and a few more. When you select a template, EZducate automatically populates the resource request field with the information needed to generate that resource. Because the field remains completely editable, you can adjust any part of the request, add your own requirements, or create an entirely customized version. For example, here we're generating an ABC datasheet. And with another click, we can generate a behavior intervention plan template. Each resource is created in just a few seconds, helping you spend less time on preparation and more time supporting learners. At the top of every generated resource, you'll find a variety of useful tools. You can copy the resource, print it, export it as a PDF, or export it into Word and Excel formats. You'll also find an Edit button. Rather than exporting the document to make changes, EZducate includes a built-in editor that allows you to modify the resource directly within the platform. The editor includes the familiar formatting tools found in most modern word processors, making it easy to update text, reorganize content, and make quick adjustments. Whether you're modifying an assessment, customizing teaching materials, or adapting resources for a specific learner, the editing tools make the process simple and efficient. This continues EZducate's commitment to keeping therapists and educators in control while reducing the time needed to create high-quality ABA resources. When appropriate, EZducate can also generate custom images directly within your resources. For example, when creating a token economy board, visual schedule, or social story, the platform may recommend images that make the resource more engaging, easier to understand, and more relevant to the child. In this example, EZducate suggests images for a token economy board designed for Adam. With a single click on Generate Image, the platform creates visuals that match the resource and help increase engagement. You'll see the same feature when creating visual schedules, where images can help make routines clearer and easier to follow. Social stories can also include generated visuals that support the narrative and improve comprehension. For example, if a story is teaching Adam how to weight appropriately, EZducate can generate illustrations that show Adam practicing weighting in real-world situations. You can allow EZducate to automatically create the image descriptions, or you can use the built-in image prompt field to provide your own instructions. We believe it's important for therapists and educators to maintain full control over the resources being created, which is why every AI-generated element can be reviewed, customized, and refined before use. Thank you for watching this EZducate ABA Therapy Wizard guide. The ABA Therapy Wizard is designed to help therapists, educators, and support teams spend less time creating documentation and materials and more time working directly with the children they support. By combining professional expertise with flexible AI-powered tools, EZducate helps you create personalized assessments, intervention materials, teaching resources, and data collection tools in minutes, while maintaining complete control over the final result. To explore the ABA Therapy Wizard and discover everything else EZducate has to offer, sign up today at EZducate.ai. We'll see you in the next EZducate Tool Guide.